I get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video. Today's video, as I'm sure you'll know if you've been following along with the journey, is going to be a packing with me. So we are moving tomorrow, get the keys to the new place. So today it is going to be packing central. So like I mentioned before, I don't like to pack too far in advance from when I actually move, because I, one, don't have anywhere to put packed boxes pretty much because this is a tiny apartment, and I also don't like that feeling of living in and out of boxes and rummaging through stuff in that sort of transition phase when you're moving. So I try to do it the quickest that I possibly can before I have to move. So it is just basically pack, move, get to the new place, unpack. And that is one of the great things about renting these green crates. I only rent mine for a 1 week period, so it kind of forces you to get unpacked really quickly. So today that is what we're going to be doing. It's a little bit hot, so I'm going to put the aircon on, put some music, and just smash out packing up all of our stuff. Now I'm going to start with all of the stuff that I can move myself. So I like to move all of the super fragile, delicate, or really special things that I have in my home, and I will move those just in my car, and then the removalists that I've booked, they do all of the heavy lifting of furniture and really heavy bulky boxes and items like that. So that's what's on the agenda today. So let's get packing.
I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you.
So, hey Siri, pause music. So it's been an hour so far, and this is the progress. So packed up stuff there. All that is packed up. That is just kind of a holding space for all the stuff that I still need to use, like the Dyson and everything. Oh, there's another basket there. Everything's been packed up from all the drawers in the media unit. So I decided to kind of start with the decor. So home decor and all of the media unit stuff. And then just keeping that packed up kind of all together that I'll still be using. All of the indoor houseplants I've just popped here. And we've got so far, so we've got 1, 2, 3 boxes done. And those are all packed up too. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is exactly why I don't like to pack too far in advance, because I hate my house just feeling like it's out of control. I'd rather just pack it, move it in one hit. All right, it's been an hour. Let's keep going.
I'm on my way now.
large cupboard space. Kind of pantry type situation. Plus, oh, there's no bin. I'm gonna have to figure out a bin. Oh, there's no other drawers there. Oh, good, nice dishwasher. No more mirrored backsplash, but gas stove, that's good, but it's a pain to clean. Yeah, and then here we've got either a laundry situation or storagey type stuff. Need to put like a some kind of shelving thing there, or maybe I might move this dryer downstairs into the garage so it doesn't put lint everywhere, and then put one of those over the washing machine shelf things. Anyway, let's have a look. I'll show you outside. Dang it, I didn't remember those things being there. These are not my favorite. Like, how do you even do that? Oh, okay. All right, well, they're not as bad as others. It's got this cute situation going on. Let's go upstairs. Oh, fingers crossed, it's what I remembered. So it's dark colored tile and Laminex. But that's cool. It's got loads of storage, which is nice. So no more need to have the old shoe rack under the sink situation. And there's a bathtub, which I'm super excited about. Oh, fixed shower screen, cool, don't break that. Bathtub here. So the boys are super excited about that too. And so am I. So this is the boys' bathroom. Oh my Lord, I did not even see this. Check it out. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. You can fit all the things in there. That's awesome. I did not see that when I did the inspection because it's right behind the door. Flipping awesome. And then this will be the boys' bedroom, and it's bigger than the bedroom that they're in now, and it's also square. Just don't want to show the street off. Roll that down. There we go. So it's got a big built-in pretty stock standard. Oh, it doesn't have shelves, it's just got hangers. That's okay, but then that's really good because it's exactly the same both sides. Oh, nice. So just thinking of how we could set up to potentially have two beds that don't need to go like bunk beds. But it could definitely easily fit two beds side by side this way or this way. And then just have like their little TV stand unit thing there. Cool, lots of options. I think maybe this way. And then they can have this here as their stand with their games on it, and then two beds here. Awesome, it's actually really big. Okay, and then the master bedroom. So again, it's much bigger than my bedroom at the moment. And there's just a couple of ways you can configure it. There's just hanging space, and then up there storage space, which is actually really big. So that's nice. And then I'm thinking of putting the bed right here in the middle, and then putting either my vanity or something here. And then just depending how far this comes out. Yeah, I think the bed's going to come like right down to here actually. I don't know. So the bed can either go there on that wall or here on this wall. I think this wall's better because I prefer to have the wall behind my head than a window. Each one, there's no ducted aircon, but each room has an aircon in, and then the ensuite is just in here. So it's good. It's a really nice size shower actually. That is a nice size shower and lots of storage in the bathroom. Cool. It's actually, I was really stressing out. I was like, what if it's not like I remembered it? But it is good. It's probably even better than I remembered it. I think the downstairs is a little bit smaller than I remembered, but it's got plenty of room to fit everything in, and it's bigger than our place right now. And just having that extra outdoor courtyard area as extra living space as soon as I do that up. So I'm thinking AstroTurf or some of those fake tile things. That's going to look really nice out there, and that will give so much extra space. So let's see, and it's nice and quiet. Thank goodness it is like I remembered. So that was one thing I was stressing about. I was like, oh my gosh, I spent like literally 5 minutes whipping through on the inspection day, and I was thinking, oh, what about this, what about that? Oh, the tiles are dark. Will it be big enough? But it's really good. No, I'm super happy. Better than I remembered even, so that is very cool. I love it. All right, let's get moving.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
No, you're kidding, don't. This is literally my life today. Moving as much stuff as possible, but it's all just light stuff like pillows and mirrors and stuff like that. So it's not excruciatingly painful because the movers are going to do all that kind of stuff. But it's quite hot. And the great thing is where we're moving, it's literally like a 2-minute drive from where we live now. I don't know why I'm whispering, no one can hear me. It's like a 2-minute drive. So it's really easy just to go pop down back and forth. It's not like last time when I moved across town through massive traffic. So I don't actually mind it. And then the boys are going to help this afternoon with emptying out the storage unit and just a few car trips of their stuff. Because literally everything that you move yourself, it saves, I think the movers are about $100 an hour. So if we spend a few hours doing it, we potentially save, $400. So that is that. And obviously you're gonna have to move some things with movers, like I can't move a king size latex mattress, but I don't mind getting professionals in to move that stuff. But when it comes to the light, easy things, which honestly most of my stuff is, I'm happy to do a bit of DIY. It's a nice workout too. It is 27 degrees, so that is something. But anyway, let's keep moving. Ooh, what time is it? Nearly 1 o'clock on Friday. Situation, disaster stations. But actually making a lot of progress. It's so handy being just literally 2 minutes down the road because you're just back and forth so quickly and so easily. And these make it so easy. Load up that thing, wheel it into the lift, chuck it in the back of the boot, and then take it across, and they just stack up so nicely in the back of, like, I've got a small SUV and they just fit perfectly. Obviously you don't fill it up too heavy with too much stuff, and it's light and easy. And like I said before, every trip that we take, it's saving us $100 an hour. So I'd rather put in a couple of hours myself and save heaps. Still a lot to do though.
so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. When you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew